also bowls.
And these. You've seen these before, right?
And also the bowls.
And the bowls too. Can you count how many red bears there are?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 10.
10. All right.
So the
Tell you what, let's do this. Can you count now how many bears there are?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Okay. Now watch this. We move them around like this. How many bears? What?
Do you want to just put them up in line then?
Would you want to do that?
Yeah.
Put them in a line? Okay.
They could stand up by themselves.
Oh, that's good. How many bears did you have before when you counted them? 5?
5.
Okay.
Actually 10.
But that was before. When you count these?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. If we move them around like this, how many bears are there now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, and if we move them like this, and I cover them up with my hand, how many bears are there?
But I can't see.
Can't see.
No. So I can't count them.
But do you know how many there are?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, very good.